Hi, I'm Heather from Paint to Real Fiber Arts, and today's video is a yarn box subscription box unboxing for the month of January 2018. What is Yarnbox? Yarnbox is a monthly subscription, yarn subscription that you get every month. You will get a skein of yarn, a pattern, and a goodie in some of the boxes. Some of the boxes you'll just get the skein of yarn plus a pattern, and then some of them you'll just get other various things. Each box is a little different, but all of them are just like one skein of yarn or two skeins of yarn, and you get a pattern, and some of them you get goodies, some of them you don't. A link to all those different boxes down below if you're interested in getting one. I'm excited to open this box with you all together, and I can't wait to show you the yarn that's inside. What they say is like they're pretty repetitive and you know what you're gonna get every month. I love how cute they always wrap up the yarn in these very adorable looking tissue papers. This one has polka dots. Sometimes they even have other confetti like stuff in there. This time they didn't. Pattern, it is for a knitted pattern, which I'm fine with because I do knit and I do crochet. You know I haven't been showing my knitted stuff off lately, but I do both. It says we are kicking 2018 off with two gorgeous sock designs. Knit designer Penny, I can't even pronounce her last name, SCUMERs of Knit by Designs, created the delicious sweet toppings toe-up design. And then they give you a little description of it. And then the winter weave kimono slippers are the other pattern. And that is designed by Jennifer Pionk. I think I want to try out the kimono. I always say it wrong. Kimono slippers. They kind of give you a little sneak preview. It's not really much of it. And then they talk about the yarn. It is called Traveling Yarn. Donegal tweeded hails all the way from the rugged coast and enchanted hills of County Donegal, Ireland. Ooh, that's so cool. I'm totally saying the town wrong. Sorry. And then it is tweeded in diagonal tradition, used in caps, suits, and vests. And it's well-traveled tweeded yarn. Ooh, I'm excited to have a tweeded yarn. I've been wanting a tweeded yarn for a while. I've been wanting to try them out, and I'm excited that I can finally get one. And this month's yarn is called Tweed Me. It's a soft, durable tweed with flecks of yarn in varying colors. It's a hand-dyed fingering weight that is 85% superwash merino wool and 15% diagonal NEP. You have received 438 yards of this beautiful tweeded ply. Cheers to cozy socks. Cute! I'm excited. I've been wanting some tweeded yarn, and I will be looking into their yarn more if I like it. Ooh, it's super soft for tweeded. Ooh, adorable. I love the flecks. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Look at it. Oh wow. Oh, it's gorgeous. They have fleckos in like browns and all different shades of brown. And it's this gorgeous like raspberry reddish color. I love the color raspberry, so I'm super excited. Do watch out, the tag is very sharp and almost cut me open just now. But it didn't. And this is in the color Merlot. And it is Yard Tweed Me. Oh, that's a cute little logo. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's like a truck looking thing that says Merlot and less traveled yarn. So gorgeous. Looking yarn with a nice, gorgeous label. Yeah, and that's it. No other goodies in there. So that's the beautiful yarn for January 2018 sock yarn. I can't wait for February. I'm super happy that I got yarn that I like on. Hope you like seeing it and everything. And I will see you on the next video. Have a great rest of the day, night, afternoon, no matter where you are from. As always, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and you want more videos from me. As well as please hit the like button if you like this video by hitting the like button down below. As well as if you would like to leave me a comment. I love comments. I will always comment back. Thank you for each and every one of your comments. I love them so much. Thank you so much. As well as if you would like to follow me on my blog, that is linked down below, as well as all my social media such as Twitter, Facebook, Bloglovin, and Instagram. That is all linked down below. As well as if you would like to email me, you can. That is down below. if you would like to buy anything that's handmade by me in my Etsy shop and everything and help support me and my family, that is linked down below, as well as anything else that I forgot, that is linked down below. And have a great rest of the day, night, afternoon, again, like I just said, and I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye.